Greetings, White County. My name is John Meadows. I'm one of your candidates for General Sessions Judge. I've lived here in Sparta since 1999 when I married my wife Arlene. Arlene and I have two children. Avery and Allison Meadows are both 2020 graduates of White County High School. We worship at Sparta First Baptist. Arlene and I both truly believe that White County is one of the best places to live, and we've been very blessed to call this home for several years now. I first came to Sparta in 1997 when I began working as a juvenile case officer with the Upper Cumberland Human Resource Agency. About a year after that, I moved over to the Department of Children's Services. That's where Arlene and I met, and we got married in 1999, and I started law school, night school at National School of Law the year we got married. And I continued working full-time as a child welfare worker for the Department of Children's Services while I attended law school. I got licensed to practice law in 2003, and I've been engaged in the full-time practice of law ever since then. I've had a private practice for several years, focusing on family law, probate, criminal law, and civil law. Early in my career, I served as an attorney for the Department of Children's Services, where I was responsible for prosecuting dependency and neglect cases in the juvenile courts in several counties throughout the Upper Cumberland. I had an opportunity back in 2007. I served as a full-time assistant public defender and assigned to the General Sessions and Criminal Courts here in White County. I've had the honor and privilege of serving as your county attorney here since 2014, and I served as your 911 attorney back in 2012 through 2014. Back in 2017, I was approved by the Tennessee Supreme Court's Alternative Dispute Resolution Commission to be approved as a family law mediator, and I've been incorporated that into my practice back in 2017 and have conducted a lot of mediation since then. I want to talk a little bit about this position. Your General Sessions Judge makes a lot of important decisions that have a significant impact on the lives of people. Some of those decisions would include whether or not to issue an order of protection in a case of domestic violence, whether or not a child should be removed from their parent or guardian due to abuse or neglect, whether or not a person who's convicted of a criminal offense should be granted probation or sentenced to jail time to serve. Those are just some of the decisions, including family law cases where a mother and father are getting divorced, and the court's going to have to make a determination as to how those parents are going to share their parenting responsibilities and co-parent these children after their marriage is dissolved. So there's lots of important decisions that have to be made. And those are decisions that I don't think should be taken lightly by whoever serves in this capacity. Doing the right thing is important to me. It's always been important to me to try and be a good husband to my wife, a good father to my children, a good neighbor to my community. I know that White County is one of the best places to live and raise a family, and if I'm elected to serve you as your judge, I'll do everything that I can every day to keep it that way. I have children here, they still reside here. Hopefully one day I will have grandchildren that reside here. And maintaining the safety of our community is important to me. Making sure that our children and your children and grandchildren are protected will be a priority of mine. I've traveled all around White County and Van Buren County as well during this campaign and have ran into lots of different people. And what I have found is that the things that the public wants from the Office of General Sessions Court are the same things that I want. Everyone wants swift and effective administration of justice. So do I. Everyone expects those that commit criminal offenses to be held accountable, and I agree with that also. Everyone wants their community to be protected. Everyone wants everyone to be treated fairly, regardless of who they are or any other criteria. And those are all the things that I believe in, and I can assure you that if I'm elected to serve you as your judge, that I'll do everything that I can, that I'll strive every day to ensure the fair, impartial, and independent administration of justice in your court, and make sure that everyone that comes before your court is treated fairly, with dignity and respect. It's impossible for me to get all over White County and Van Buren County and meet every single person. So I'll leave you with this. If you don't know me, then ask someone that does. I will accept their judgment. I think you will find that people are people as far as I'm concerned. Rich or poor, money or no money. If I'm elected to serve you as your judge, you'll get a fair shake in this court. Also, again, if I'm elected to serve you as your judge, I'll do everything that I can every day. I'll strive to make the right decisions and make you proud of your choice. I humbly ask for your vote and support in this upcoming election. Thank you.